This natural remedy will make a cough immediately disappear. The winter months can plague you with respiratory issues. The common cold is easily passed around and you can experience coughing, sinus congestion, aches, or you can even develop bronchitis. Treating chronic cough and bronchitis has always been a challenge even for conventional medicine, up until now. This new natural remedy contains some of the oldest and most powerful ingredients that soothe the throat and lungs and cure coughing and bronchitis in no time. The winning combination is water, honey, and bananas. You wouldn't think that these three things could get rid of a cough, but they can and they will. The best part about it is that you can also improve digestion with the nutrients that are in honey and bananas. Additionally, this is an easy and tasty remedy that even your kids will gladly take. Anything from sore throat, bad cough, and even stomach problems can be treated with this drink. You will need 400 milliliters of boiling water, 2 medium-ripe bananas with dots, 2 tablespoons of honey. Process: peel the bananas and make puree from them with a wooden spoon or fork, as they may become darker when they come in contact with metal. Place the mashed bananas in a bowl and add boiling water. Allow the mixture to stand for half an hour. At the end, when the mixture has cooled, add the honey. Each day take this medicine 4 times at a dose of 100 milliliters. The amount that you have prepared is enough for one day, and the next morning you can prepare a new one. The first results will be visible after 5 days.